Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. My name is Laddie and today we will share with you a traditional Goan pickle which is sweet, spicy and also tangy. It is the perfect blend of sun-dried Tendlis or Ivy Gourd, chili powder and aromatic spices which are slow cooked to perfection in oil and vinegar to create a pickle that is packed with flavor. Our recipe for today is Goan Tendli Pickle or Ivy Gourd Pickle. Step 1. Preparing the Tendlis. Take 350 grams of Tendlis which are also called Ivy Gourd. Wash the Tendlis properly and remove anything that is stuck to the skin. Wipe them properly using a clean cloth or towel. Now cut and discard the edges of the Tendlis. Cut each Tendli lengthwise into 4 pieces. You can also cut the Tendlis into 8 pieces if you like them thinner. Do not use the Tendlis that are red in color inside. Do this for all the remaining Tendlis. We finally got around 300 grams of Tendlis after cutting off the sides and removing the Tendlis that were red inside. Tendlis are ready. Transfer the Tendli pieces into a bowl. Apply 1 teaspoon of salt to the Tendlis. Mix them properly. Step 2. Draining the liquid from the Tendlis. Take a bowl and place a strainer on the top of the bowl. Put the Tendlis in a strainer. Place a flat plate on top of the Tendlis. Place some heavy items or weights on the flat plate. Leave it like this for 2-3 hours. After 2-3 hours, remove the weights. You will find some liquid that's drained out from the Tendlis. Step 3. Sun drying the Tendlis. Take a tray or plate. Place tissue paper on it. Spread the Tendlis on the tissue paper for it to dry in the sun for at least 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, the Tendlis have completely dried. Our Tendlis are now ready. Step 4. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 2 pinches of fenugreek or methi powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder which is less spicy but gives a nice red color, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, few curry leaves or curry patta, 4 tablespoons of jaggery. The color of the jaggery will also determine the color of the pickle. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 to 6 tablespoons of vinegar depending on the type of vinegar you're using and how strong it is, 1/4 cup or 60 ml of cooking oil. Step 5. Preparing the Tendli pickle. On medium-low heat in a wide, open, thick-bottom pan, add the cooking oil. Oil increases the shelf life of the pickle. Once oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Stir well. Use less oil if you don't need to store the pickle for a longer time. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the asafoetida or hing powder. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir well. Add the fenugreek or methi powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything properly. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything. Now add the tendli pieces. Mix everything properly. Cook it for around 10 to 12 minutes or until the tendli is cooked. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Add the salt. Add the 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the vinegar. Now add the jaggery. Mix everything nicely. Try and buy jaggery that is brown in color and not yellow, as the brown one is more organic. Add the sugar. Mix everything nicely. Now check the consistency. Check for salt, sweetness, spice and vinegar and add if required. We added 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. You could use Bedki chili powder instead if you want your pickle more spicy. We have added extra chili powder to increase the masala in the pickle. If you do not want extra masala in the pickle, you can reduce the quantity of chili powder. Cover and cook for some time.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Once the Tendli pickle is cooked, turn off the heat. Let the pickle cool completely and come to room temperature before bottling. Store the pickle in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container. Delicious Tendli pickle is ready. Keep it in a cool, dry place at room temperature to mature for 3 to 4 weeks. Once matured, it should be stored in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Ensure that there is always a layer of oil floating over the pickle, as this will preserve the pickle better.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.